Hello everyone. Early morning picking. Alarm clock's probably going to go off and interrupt this video, but I've got a Sesamee 937 in here that I'm trying to pick. I don't know how good this pick is going to do because I re-straightened it after it was bent, and yeah. Well, I had to counter to get that one in. A slight turn. Try a different, well, I got a straight shot through there, so. Yeah, slight turn on core on 5. Click on 4. Click on 3. And we're open. Wow. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. See if I can get this guy gutted. Yeah, it's a nice padlock. It's got a nice bow on it. There's our bitting. Kind of wicked bitting, too. Well, I expected to just sit here. I wasn't even going to turn the camera on. And I'd expected to get nowhere with it. So it's a good thing let me tilt the camera down over here so we can see all the action going on. And let me get another pinning tray because I got something else going on that other pinning tray. But yeah, Sesamee is owned by CCL Security, which is Corbin Cabinet Lock. I forgot to mention that when I was talking about the Corbin locks a while back, that they're now the Sesamee brand, or they bought them out. Alright, we've got a very nice C-clip, which hopefully won't give us a huge amount of problems. Move everybody back. Hey! Everybody back. Oh, I can't take too much time. I got like 5 minutes before this alarm goes off. Oh, well, this isn't a challenge lock, so if it gets interrupted, it gets interrupted. That's the way it goes. I'm not up to any shenanigans. I am up to getting this C-clip off. The great battle of the C-clip again. Well, I'm just going to pause this. You know how this goes. There we go. I got it off. I had to use a screwdriver to pry it. Everybody out of the way. Put your little C-clip retainer over there. Later on. I don't think I'm going to use a shim. I will use the key to turn this back around that way. My Bobby Keys American follower works very well. Uh-oh. I should have used a shim. Got that little lip right there. Every time you try to take a little shortcut, this is what happens. Put my beat up shim in there. If it'll go in. Maybe I need a smaller one. Here we go. Yeah, whenever you go to take a shortcut, that's usually what happens. Something unexpected. Alright, let's push this guy out. Oh, got my key pins upside down. Well, that was number 1. He was serrated. It's a 5-pin lock. I'm a 6-pin core, but only 5 are pinned up. And get over here. Serrated. Standard in 2. Serrated in 3. Get over there. Serrated in 4. And standard in 5. The core actually looks like it's got some countermailing in there. No, that's just a visual thing. There's a slight one in that and pin 6, but they're not using pin 6. So that's pretty interesting. Tweezers. Straighten these guys out. All the long pins are serrated and the short ones are standard. Let me get the my alarm went off and it didn't make any noise and it didn't interrupt the video. That's pretty cool. That's cool. I didn't know it would do that. I thought it would just interrupt it and turn it off and say that's it. We're finished. You're not going anywhere. Alright, once again I should have marked the core. So front and back. I think this guy is the front. Yeah. One with a little cutout in him. Alright. Stop wasting everybody's time. Let's start pulling these pins out. Get my shim out of there. Alright. Number 1 is a standard. Number 2 is a spool. Not a serrated spool, just a nice deep spool there. Number 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. What do you want to bet 5 is a spool? You'd have been wrong, because it's kind of like one of those acid barrel anti-pump, anti-pick type of things. And leave the springs in there. Alright, so let me see if I can get this guy to zoom in. Uh-oh, the eyes are moving when we zoom. Let me get this guy down there. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. Yep. Well, I have to move the tray all the way back over here because I'm zooming oddly. What a bunch of odd zooming you're doing there. Alright. Rearrange everybody. I can move this in view. Sorry I'm taking so long. Wait, yeah, do that. Why don't you do that? I just wanted to show you that guy. I guess I can just pick him up and show you. He's got a little, let me zoom back. Normal. He's got a little, like an acid barrel. Got serrations on either end. That's unusual. I've never seen that. Right. So there we go. I keep knocking everything over. And taking forever. Thunder and lightning out there. Alright, I'm just going to pick the camera up and just move him down on the pins. You can see him better. So there we go. Nice deep spools in that. And that little serrated guy. So that's a Sesamee 937 series. Oh yeah, the anti-bump cylinder technology. It says it's upgradable to 6 pins. So at least they're straightforward about that. So thank you for watching, everyone, and happy picking.